Hey, are you stuck in any area of your life? Be it your career, be it your health, be it your financial, or be it any of your personal area. If you are, then this video is for you. Good evening, everyone. This is Monica Sodi, your transformational coach. I welcome you again for joining New Heights today with me. Let's walk through the paradigm shift from being stuck to unstuck and how to keep the ball rolling in such a scenario. Why are you stuck? Do you know why you are stuck? It's because of disempowering habits, your pattern behavior, your belief. They have a compounding effect on your belief system, which limits your behavior and prevents you from becoming your own hero. Guys, create options. Universe has provided us with so much of opportunities. It's just that we are not able to see them. And have faith in yourself, because you have the potential to rise and shine and to move out of any situation. I'm reminded of a story of Majiba Mazari at this stage. She was on wheelchair post her fatal accident, but she never felt helpless. She never went into an anxiety mood. She never played the victim card. Her story, from stuck to unstuck, has inspired billions and billions of people. She is the first model on the wheelchair, a TV anchor, and has represented her country's women in the UN Assembly. Isn't that inspiring? What is a secret of her success? Her secret of success lies in her flexibility, in her adaptability. She did not make circumstances her masters. Rather, in the circumstances in which she was, she looked at various options. She listed various options. If one did not work, she looked for another. If that did not work, she looked for another. If that did not work, she looked for another. And she continued to look for such options till she came across one which resonated with her. She herself says, "I could not find a hero till I became one." Therefore, the proven pathway for moving forward when you are stuck in life is create more options, look for opportunities, move out of the comfort level, learn new skills. Don't be scared of trying new things. People called Majiba Mazari disabled, and she calls herself differently abled. Look at the mindset. They tried to play victim card with her, but she powerfully discarded the victim card which people were playing, and she proved them wrong by showcasing the n number of options which were available to her despite being on the wheelchair. She proved she is not disabled. Rather, the ones who are calling her disabled are actually disabled in their thinking. Therefore, it boils down all to thinking pattern, to neurochemistry. And at this stage, I am reminded of a famous saying from Christopher Morley, and it goes on like this: think every day which no one else is thinking. Read every day which nobody else is reading. for unanimity is bad for mind. Moving along a pathway which is disempowering and giving average results or no results, and to continue to move on the same pathway is a call to action. It requires introspection. Otherwise, one is sure to meet the Waterloo. It can be extremely disastrous. It's like a fly which sees a light on the other side of the window and tries to cross over. Because there is a window pane, and the moment it tries to cross over, it bangs against the window pane, and it falls. It tries again. Same result. Tries again. Same result. Same strategy. Same result. Continues to try, and finally she dies. You know why this has happened? Because she was so stuck with her pattern thinking, so rigid in her mind, that she did not even think of exploring options wherein she could go into a room which had light except for the window pane, where she was banging again and again, and finally she met her Waterloo. Therefore, folks, if things are not working, you need to introspect, you need to introspect, you need to introspect, and you need to change your direction and your action. And for doing that, you have to work at your thought level, at your belief level, at the root level, that is your subconscious. So how do you create more options so that there is a paradigm shift from being stuck to unstuck? Here are a few pointers. 1. Engage in research. In this particular moment, when one is stuck, one is in a state, one is not very resourceful. So one is in a state of crunch. So you're not able to think of many options. So as to broaden the horizon, it would be a good idea if you see some videos, if you go through some audios, some articles, attend some webinars, do some paid programs, that will give you more clarity of the options which are available, and you can also assess their pros and cons, and then you would be in a better position to understand which option resonates with you better. Number 2, talk to someone who's more experienced than you, because experience creates a bigger vision. It has a panoramic effect. For example, an HR person with about 3 to 5 years of experience can only think of a job or hiring as 2 options. However, someone who's more experienced can give a wide variety of options, which can be your manpower consultancy, which can be your third-party work, which can be being on your panel, which can be working as a consultant, which can be moving into coaching and training. And the third part, the third pointer, most of us fear the outcomes. We are not sure if we move into another option, will we be successful or not. So beat this fear of outcome. So how do you do it? Start treading on a path which you feel that it is somewhat resonating with you. If you have to imbibe new skills, do it. If you have to invest more time, do it. And the moment you start moving on this path, the fear would diminish and you would get more confidence. Remember, failure is a word which is created by people who want to control you, who want to keep you small, who don't want to see you big. So don't worry too much about failures. Start taking baby steps. Sometimes these steps may not be relevant. Sometimes these steps may not be perfect, and sometimes these steps may not resonate. But continue in this direction. Continue the action. Change your thinking or pattern. Change your strategies. Start, exploring all options. Do not stop. As Barack Obama once said, keep the ball moving forward. You would definitely find a path which moves to your destination. It may be a little tough, it may be a little painful, but it definitely exists for each one of us. A path to our dream destination exists. So please do not feel anxious when you get stuck. Explore all options. I hope you enjoyed your journey with me today. I'm coming up with a masterclass on 13th of June and with a workshop on 17th of this month. If all this interests you, please join me for more knowledge, for more learning. Thank you and good night. Stay safe, stay healthy. We meet again on Wednesday, same time. Bye-bye.